Hi, this dance is called Balam Balam, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls, beginner level line dance. There are 2 tags, 4 count, pivot, half pivot and quarter pivot to left on after wall 4 and after wall 9. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, walk forward, right, left, lock shuffle forward, and then heel touch forward, close touch to touch, and then heel touch, close touch. Section 2, sashay diagonally backward to left, and then back sashay shuffle diagonally backward to right, and then quarter just back turn to left, cross, quarter turn, back, side, close touch. Section 3, step forward together and then quarter turn to right, step and close touch. Repeat, but in the other way around, but quarter turn to right first, forward together and quarter turn to left, step to side, close touch. And then section 4, cross, recover, side sashay, cross touch, side touch, and make a sailor step to left, back, together, forward. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and there are 2 time tags, half pivot and quarter pivot to left. So half pivot, step forward, half turn to left, recover on left foot, and half turn, step forward, quarter turn to left, recover on left foot. So with count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Balam Balam. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.